Walk to Mama. Come on. Look at you go. Look at you go. A big girl. A big girl. Here she comes to get me. Oh, crash. Crash. Oh, November 18th, 2008. Evie's walking around. She figured it out yesterday when she let go of the chair she was holding on to and walked across the room. And she's been doing it ever since. Evie! You come see Mama again? You come see me? What's on my head? Come see me. Come on. You're a big girl. Big girl, big girl. Wow. You're so wobbly. What's that noise? There she goes. There she goes. Who's making all that racket? Oh, bonk. She can also stand up from the middle of the room. She's been practicing that. I'm going to try and capture that, too. Who's that? Okay. Are you going to do it again? Are you going to do it again? Are you a big girl? You like that corner, huh? You do. Oh, boom! Oh, try again. Evie, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.